Welcome at the ERIAFF 2017 conference. Welcome here in The Hague, ladies and gentlemen.
In 2017, the provinces Zuid-Holland, Noord-Holland and the West-Holland municipality organised the ERIAFF conference in The Hague. ERIAFF is an EU network that represents the concerns of Europe's regions that recognise the importance of the agriculture, forestry and food industries. In the ERIAFF network, the regions cooperate together with experts to improve and influence European policy. More financial support and focus on the European horticulture is on the agenda, since horticulture can provide solutions for societal challenges for the future of the EU.
Today we are at a new farm in the middle of the city of The Hague. The building is famous because of the rooftop farm from urban farmers. They are here now for a year. And we already have plans for a big vertical farm, LED farm, inside the building. That makes it a unique combination.
The real strength, I think, of the horticulture sector in the Netherlands is that they can produce good and healthy food. And they can produce that kind of food with a small amount of water and a high production on a square meter. That's very specific for this cluster.
If you look at toxics, it's actually not required to use toxics. There are a lot of alternatives available, and one of them, for instance, is low oxygen application. If you look at low oxygen application, it's actually extremely effective in killing off the insects, and on the other hand, it's also safe for the health and for the environment. But at the stage that we are in now, you can actually see that, for instance, low oxygen or controlled atmosphere, as they call it, actually turns out to be cheaper in especially colder climates. So I think that should be the future.
So what we have in Almeria is basically innovations that are three-pronged. Where we have innovations that are true, that they're technical, but they're always tied to the environmental and the social. How can we leverage this kind of economies of scale to further benefit farmers in terms of new technologies and the use of data?
Vertical horticulture, seaweed as sustenance, organic crop protection, producing plant varieties that are resistant to drought, disease and plagues, efficient cultivation using big data, energy-neutral greenhouses, and removing CO2 from the greenhouse cultivation industry, these advantages provided by sustainable solutions were outlined during the 2017 ERIAFF conference.
Beautiful examples of innovations which we can share with the world, and we also see big differences between several countries, even within the European borders. So I think the first challenge is to get that to a good level, and then we can go out and sell a lot of things and share a lot of things.
The conference is an important step in giving horticulture a more important role in European agricultural policy and in European issues. The participating countries all agree the sector has an exceptional amount of potential. Successful cooperation between entrepreneurs, government and scientists is essential to finding solutions to the issues that the sector currently faces and to keep greening and feeding our cities in the future.